Hi, Mom.
We're stuck in Gib. There's a plane about to take off. So the road is closed. We can't get across the runway right now. He's gonna turn around at the end and come back.
Sure. Jól néz ki, mi? Ja, végül is tényleg megfordulás. Nincs elég hely. Akkor mennyit kell itt várni?
Sokat.
Ne kés. Én mindenki, vagyis ti filmezitek.
Meg pont azon nagyon hideg volt, olyan hideg volt reggel.
Ja, Szocsi.
It's not a sign you see in too many places. You're now crossing a live runway.
Megsülök.
Half an hour later, still waiting for the plane to turn around and take off.
Are you making a viral video?
It's gonna be viral. Don't forget to visit what?
It's my YouTube.
Say it again, because I had it on pause. Where did he have to visit?
They have to visit myspace.com/ this is not an actual URL.
Well, I hear something. Megnem. And there she goes.
Wow.
I don't think I've seen a
I've
plane.
never seen one of those before.
Not from this close. Come on, that was exciting. And I will be able to walk through any minute from now. Bit of traffic backed up.